Next thing which we are going to see is what are real numbers. Before getting what are real numbers, let us revise. We have studied till now natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by N. Then the whole numbers, which are denoted by the W. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole number starts from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Next one are the integers. Integers, they are denoted by Z. Sometimes I also. Integers are all negative numbers and positive numbers. Next one are rational numbers. Right? Rational numbers means which can be expressed in P upon Q form. They are denoted by the Q. Example is 2 upon 3, 1 by 2. These are all rational numbers. And then we have irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, they do not have any symbolic format, but it is simple that they cannot be expressed in P upon Q format. All these numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational numbers, all these numbers, they fall into one category of real numbers. You pick up any number from your pocket and that number belongs to the real numbers. Next, we try to plot root 2 and root 3 on number line. So plotting root 2 and root 3 on the number line, we know that root 2, it is a irrational number. It cannot be expressed in P upon Q form. We will see in the later part why it is irrational and what exactly does definition this irrational word holds. Similarly, root 3 is also a irrational number. To plot irrational number, let us say I take 3 units, 3 centimeter as a 1 unit. Similarly, on 90 degree also, again here I take 3 units, so it comes somewhere here. So this is 3 centimeter as a 1 unit, this one is also a 1 unit. With the help of the rounder, I draw an arc. So this end point of the arc represents square root of 2. Now let us say I want to plot root 3. To plot root 3, again at this point mark 90 degree angle. So the 90 degree is, so again 90 degree with respect to this slant line, 90 degree lies somewhere here. So I join that point. On this point again I mark 1 unit. I have taken 3 centimeter as a 1 unit. You can take 2 centimeters as a 1 unit. Then joining this line and again putting an arc. So this arc represents square root of 3. This is how you can plot irrational numbers. Next we'll look on to some questions from exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, let us look at the second question of the first. The question says that every point on the number line is of the form root m. It means that number line has all numbers in format of root m. This is the question, true or false. Obviously it is false, because square root of -2 or square root of -3 cannot be plotted on number line. It is very difficult to find out the values of root of -2 and -3. Then the second question of the same exercise, are the square root of all positive integers irrational? So square root of all the integers we represent by z. So square root of all the integers will give us irrational number. Square root of all the integers will give us irrational numbers. True or false? Again it is a false, because if we take an integer 4, then square root of 4 is 2, which is not irrational. 2 is a rational number. Similarly, if we take square root of 9, 9 is an integer, but its square root will give 3. Again, 3 is a rational number. Hence, this assumption is wrong, that square root of integers give irrational numbers.